Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Saro and I am a bronze level technician here at Porsche Center downtown Toronto. Today we will be discussing how to replace a spare tire on a Macan. This procedure should be done in the event of a flat tire. Your spare tire and your emergency toolkit are located underneath this cover here in the trunk, which is easily removable by folding, lifting, and removing. Spare tire, tire jack, and wrench. The air pump is located underneath this cover on the driver's side. Now start the replacement process by removing the spare tire, by turning the wing nut, lifting, and taking out. Next we will remove the car jack. The wheel lock key and the wrench in order to remove your spare tire are located in these plastic covers. There are specific points at all four corners of the vehicle suitable for jack placement. Please refer to the owner's manual for a more detailed look as to where you can find these points. Owner's manual can be found either in your glove box or on the newer models, the PCM system. Your Macan also comes with two wheel chocks that are standard equipment. These must be placed on the opposite wheel of the one that is being replaced. In order to set up your tire chocks, lift up from the corner until a triangle is made and lock the teeth into place. Take your tire chock and slide it underneath your tire in the front and in the back with the X's facing towards the tire. There you have it, your wheel is safe. We will begin by unwinding the jack. Before putting the jack in, be sure to angle at a 45 degree so it can sit firmly underneath the vehicle. Once the jack has made contact with the vehicle body, make sure to give it 2 more turns in order to establish the vehicle's stability. Our next point of action is to take our wheel lock key and place it in the lock itself. Using your wrench, lock it into the lock and use some might to break the wheel loose. Be sure to break loose all 5 wheel lugs before lifting the vehicle off the ground, as it will be more difficult to do so once the vehicle is in the air. Once your wheel bolts are loose, we will continue to lift the vehicle in order to establish some air gap between your wheel and the floor. We will now proceed to lift the vehicle into the air. Once we've established clearance from the ground, we will continue to remove our wheel lugs. Upon removal of your wheel bolt, take the alignment tool and re-thread it into the location where the bolt was removed. This secures the wheel from falling off. Once all 5 wheel bolts are off, proceed to remove the wheel by giving it a little bit of a hit and sliding out. Now this wheel may be on a little bit tighter for you than it was for me, but that only means you require a little bit more finesse. We will proceed by removing the air pump out of its location and undoing both the pressure hose and the connector for the electric. We will be connecting the electrical connector to the 12-volt power outlet located in the trunk of the Macan and testing operational at this point. We will continue by removing the valve cover and inserting the pressure hose into the tire valve and twisting to make a solid connection. Proceed to turn on the pump and wait for the tire to fully inflate. You will know that your spare tire is fully inflated when the red PSI level is on the second notch past 40, which would indicate that it is a 50 PSI fill. Use the guide pin to help you align the spokes in order to insert with ease. Take the bolts that we have removed earlier and insert one by one into the wheel bolt locations. Once 4 out of the 5 have been inserted, begin to hand tighten until one of them is firm. Continue to remove the guide pin and insert your last wheel bolt like so. Continue to tighten the rest in a star pattern. Okay. Proceed to lower the vehicle down until the tire makes contact with the road surface. After the wheel touches down, ensure that your wheel bolts are tight by giving it a one final snug. Well, I hope you found this video very helpful in the event of an emergency with a flat tire. If you have any further questions, please contact us at Porsche Center, downtown Toronto,